student, dear parents, students, teachers, Hargeisa University support staff, members of the administration and members of the board members, Dr. Saad and the others, President of the Somaliland Republic, government officials and other distinguished guests, we have gathered here today to celebrate the graduation of Hargeisa University students. It's a momentous event because it marks the ending of one milestone in your life. I'm talking to you students. Years at Hargeisa University were special because they help you to become the individuals you are today. I believe that you have developed determination, self-confidence, purposefulness, and commitment. I can state this clearly. Hargeisa University and its dedicated staff help you to become the individuals you are today. A special thanks to all those who helped you a lot, guided you, supported you, including but not limited to the Habshil Group, Khalisam, and other generous businesses. I said that because they provide resources we need, they provide internship to you and employment opportunities. Almost more than 90% of all the employees in Hargeisa and Somaliland, alhamdulillah, are graduates of this university, and I'm proud to say that. It was due to their backing, the groups I was talking about, that you complete your college education in a reasonable time. Then I hope you may take some time off and then immediately start pursuing other endeavors, such as going back to college for an advanced degree or even getting a job. You succeeded, and today you are standing in front of us. You are making all of us proud of you. I believe you are graduating class feeling deep satisfaction. You work a great deal. Your efforts gave something more than just a college degree or a diploma. It's the skills and knowledge which are invaluable experience. Staff at Hargeisa University challenge you, I'm talking about the teaching staff, challenge you with the enormous task, stating that their subject is the most important and only it will be of use in your future careers. Well, I should say this is true. I believe that you can hardly remember a book or a project which you can call unnecessary today. The Hargeisa University environment was like the model of a caring society in a miniature form. There were ups and downs, but now you are ready for the world waiting for you outside the walls of Hargeisa University. You know, sometimes I believe you felt frustrated because it was difficult enough. There was everything. A challenge university. Read between the lines. A challenge university. Sleepless nights, fatigue, and even disappointment about what way you may have chosen. But those were transient emotions evoked by much studying and lack of rest at times. It has been a challenge getting college degree at Hargeisa University. As you know, we have been plagued with the lack of effective systems, not people, systems, okay? Which resulted in lack of financial management, lack of personnel management, lack of superior academic management that's conducive to achievement of the university vision. People here are good. All the people involved here are good. They just lack the system. And many times you thought about giving up, but there were only the thoughts because you can't imagine your life without precious experience, knowledge and skill obtained in years at Hargeisa University. You must be proud of yourself because you were strong enough to overcome all obstacles and succeed. You obtain satisfaction from getting new knowledge and becoming someone greater than just a student. You were excellent students. Maybe your grades were not always perfect, but you knew for yourself that you are an excellent student who can cope with any task and solve any problem. You can help rebuild and continue to rebuild Somaliland Republic. You did your best to get as much from your education at Hargeisa University. This was your victory over challenges you faced on your way. If you could do this, any future student at Hargeisa University can emulate you and can do the same as well. Because you know deans, and thank you deans, teaching staff, administrative staff and others are not only factor in your success, but much depends on you. Great desire, enthusiasm, striving for academic success contribute to your academic achievement. Thus I believe you understood that no one but you can bring yourself to the top. Academic environment and people are important factors, but only you can make the difference. By the way, there are other things, the quality, which is in this university, desired quality, and somewhat insufficient resources at Hargeisa University. Teaching staff and other support staff are wonderful at Hargeisa University, and you will remember the days of your studying here as the most valuable and quality years in your life. So I cannot describe your happiness or enjoyment today when you are graduating with degrees. It's not about getting degrees only that demonstrates your status or standing in this world. It's rather satisfaction from having material evidence of your precious experience gained in the years at Hargeisa University. I want to thank you all again, and I hope that you were not tired of my talk. These were just heartfelt emotions. I want Hargeisa University to be proud of all its graduates. I'm confident that you will do your best